You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. In Italian, this is the spelling, the Italian form of the name Rachel, from Hebrew, obviously. How is it pronounced in Italian? Rachele. Yes, CH in Italian is pronounced like a K, alright? A C would be pronounced Ch, alright? So it would be Rachele if it was only a C, but because there's an H, it's pronounced like a K. Well, doesn't really make sense, but that's Italian. Rachele, Rachele in English, therefore you can say it as Rachele. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.